Welcome to another exciting edition to the Megalobon. So you got yourself a companion. Not sure entirely what to do, how to do it. Well, that's your buddy for life. Start real quick with the follow owner, because otherwise your little companion will be just running amok, running everywhere. Come on, boy. Let's open up our little skill tree. Now, with third eye, you can pet, you can give water. Sometimes you don't want them to just stay still. They do move all over the place. They love being alive. Tell them to wait right there. Alright, again. By hitting O, you'll be able to go back to your actions and command your pup. They can hunt and grab. You can also tell them to go to a certain location. And they will wait there till your next command. Now, taking care of your companion is a big deal. You got to remember, they love pets. And with the pets, oh, come on, stay still, little buddy. This is what I mean. Sometimes you just got to tell them, wait here, boy. You know? To get them right. Now, remember, petting them also helps you relax. So if you're stressed out, make sure you pet your companion. They love it too. Oh, no food. Oh my goodness. Here, little buddy. Make sure you give him some water. And I told you to wait here. Let me go grab you some food. That's Smith. Smith's got all the stuff. Smith! Oh, what? Smith! There he is. Smith's got all the things you need. Let's buy some food for our furry friend. Two should do good for now. Thanks, Smith. Let's go. Your little companion should be right where you told him to stay. Open up your bar with tab. Double click food. And you'll see the feeding bar start going. There you go. Now, take care of your companion, because they will be with you to the end or their end. But Smith will help you with the rest of that if you need items. But thank you for checking this video out.